In this lesson, we will discuss identifying and resolving typical ethical dilemmas. Many organizations have hotlines or email boxes to report suspected ethical issues. If a report comes in that there is a suspected ethical issue, before a formal investigation can even begin, it must be verified that an issue actually exists. To accomplish this, the organization should establish a team that is responsible for researching all reported ethical problems. The team analyzes the reported scenarios and identifies which reports constitute a breach in the code of ethics. Those issues that have been marked as code breachers will then move forward in the investigation process. Once an ethical problem has been positively identified, the problem should be clearly outlined. You should ask yourself, what transpired? How often did the scenario take place? What were the actions taken by the parties that caused the ethical gap to take place? The scenario should also outline all employees, customers, or vendors that were involved in the reported dilemma. You want to ensure that you have researched the facts of the case and identified the related laws and principles related to it. Once the situation has been clearly outlined and involved parties are identified, the specific ethical scenarios or legal rules that are being compromised should be defined. By visibly outlining this information at the start of an investigation, the group responsible for researching the issue can use time wisely, working efficiently to identify the causation and outline solutions. Evaluate possible courses of action and determine the soundest solution. Addressing the ethical dilemma may involve multiple potential solutions and actions. The company may decide to take disciplinary action against the employees involved in the situation. If the scenario included contracted vendors or customers, the organization could choose to no longer do business with them. If needed, the company's ethics codes should be updated to clarify any gray areas to ensure the same mistakes are not made in the future. Depending on the severity of the dilemma, immediate training may be necessary to address the situation with all employees within the organization. Once the solution has been approved, the company should move to take immediate action. The team that has been tasked with implementing the solution will work to make the updates to the ethics codes, conduct training, or discipline the employees involved in the situation. As progress is made on the implementation, communication should be provided to affected managers so they can reinforce any changes as needed. The final step is to evaluate the implemented solution and follow up to ensure remediation. The solutions that are implemented to resolve the dilemma should be evaluated regularly to verify they were effective. If the ethics team finds that the solution was not effective, the team would be responsible for adjusting the plan to remedy the ethical issues and ensure the same issues do not occur in the future. Thank you for listening to Identifying and Resolving Common Ethical Dilemmas. In the next lesson, we will discuss recognizing excuses for unethical behavior.